Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to Cardinal Financial account. Firstly, to sign in, make sure you have an account in Cardinal Financial account. If you do, then you may go to any web browser of your choice. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box or URL box, search for www.cardinalfinancial.com and press enter. Once it has completely loaded, you will be on the home page. Then, to sign in, go to My Loan on the top beside Get Started. Then, a drop-down will open up. Here, click on Make a Payment. Then, a new page opens up, giving us two options that are Sign in and Create Account. If you don't have an account yet, you may click on the Create Account option and follow the prompts. However, to sign in, click on the Sign In button. This opens a new tab where you are asked to add your login credentials. Type in your username in the first text box. Then, on the second, type in your password. In any case, if you forget your username or password, you may click on the link Forgot Username or Forgot Password located below the login button in purple and follow the prompts to regain access to your account. Once you make sure that you have filled in your credentials correctly, you may click on the Login button. Cardinal Financial is a financial institution that provides a range of services, including banking, lending, and investment products. They offer various types of accounts, such as checking accounts, saving accounts, and retirement accounts, to meet the diverse financial need of their customers. This is how you can easily log into Cardinal Financial account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.